Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a simple vanilla pound cake, and it's kind of like a birthday cake. If you guys are ready for me to show you how I made this simple cake, then we are going to get started. So to get started with this cake, we are going to go ahead and add in our butter. So this is room temperature butter. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in my sugar, because I like to add my sugar and my butter together. So my cup of sugar, and we are going to go ahead and blend. So I'm going to blend until the butter and the sugar look a little fluffy, and then after that we are going to go ahead and add in our egg. So next I'm going to add in my 2 large eggs, one at a time, and then my last egg. So I'm adding in some maple extract, vanilla extract, and that was 2 teaspoons. And then we want to continue blending. So now that we have mixed, we are going to go ahead and add in our flour. So we are going to go ahead and sift in our flour, adding some flour in there. I'm adding in some baking powder, as some salt for taste, and we are going to go ahead and sift it. And we are going to continue mixing everything. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my 1/2 cup of milk, and we're going to add it in slowly. So the next ingredient I'm going to add in is some sour cream. So for this cake, guys, you can either be extra like I am. I'm about to add in some sprinkles, or you can just leave you can just leave it like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in my sprinkles, or you can just leave it like that. So you don't have to add in these sprinkles right here. Since we like to be a little extra, we are going to go ahead and add in the sprinkles. I thought the sprinkles would give it just a little fun. So this is my bread or cake pan, and I am going to go ahead and lay my ingredients in there. This is how simple it is. So simple. We're gonna add in some more sprinkles. Just because we can. So I'm gonna bake this for about maybe between 30 minutes all the way to 40 minutes, but I'm gonna check it at the 25 mark to see if I'm gonna add another 10 minutes. So we'll be right back. So in this bowl, I'm adding 1 cup of powdered sugar, and then about 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. That's it. So I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of regular milk. Okay, so that helped a little bit to soften that up. So we're gonna go ahead and beat it up. So after mixing for a little bit, we are going to go ahead and add in our vanilla extract. And that was about a half tablespoon of vanilla extract. And just to give it a little extra color, we are going to go ahead and add in our pink neon. So that was 2 drops. And I'm just gonna mix it. I'm gonna add just a little bit more again. And continue mixing. Guys, we are ready. We're just waiting for our cake to be done. And then we are going to assemble everything. And I'll be right back. So I just want to show you that I'm adding a foil paper on there because the 30 minutes is done, and I'm going to add another 10 minutes, and we'll be right back. So this is how the birthday cake, pound cake looks like, and we are going to go ahead and add it on a plate, guys. Okay. And I'm just going to go ahead and make holes like that. And we are going to go ahead and we are going to go ahead and add some sprinkles. Sprinkles, guys. Cut the front. And we are going to go ahead and moist this vanilla cake is. Oh my gosh, it's so moist. So look at how moist that is. It is so moist. It's so, oh, look at that. It's so good. Well, I'm going to enjoy myself, and I just want to say thank you for watching this channel, for subscribing. So guys, thank you for watching this channel, for subscribing, for commenting, and I'll see you next time when I make something new. Bye. Look at that. Look at that.